How to enable or disable start picture-in-picture automatically on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro or Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, make sure you go back all the way back to Settings and then scroll down and tap on General. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Picture-in-Picture. Then tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn on Start Picture-in-Picture automatically. And here say when you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture-in-picture. So let's see how you can use it. For example, if I start a FaceTime call. Okay, so it's picking up now. And here if I swipe up like that, so I'll do it again. Sorry. So I'll put a full screen and then we swipe up and hold it like that. This will allow you to start picture-in-picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.